Hey guys, so after my son is done helping me with my Zino, I'm gonna give you an idea of what I did with drone so I could give it a little bit of more range. This is a first generation Zino, and when I was flying it, it was only giving me about 1,200 feet before the FPV started to cut out. I am in a high interference area though. I'm gonna show you the cell phone towers or Wi-Fi towers, whatever those things are right there. There's a whole row of them. I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit. Right there. So it makes sense that it cuts out at 1,200, but still I wanted a little bit of more range. I'm gonna be flying the drone from that shade over there.
Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight.
So as you can see right now, when I take the Zino out, the mod I did is almost like non-intrusive, so it opens up easily, everything works as it should. I could have made it a little prettier, I don't know, cut the tape nicer, but I'm just testing it out right now. I still have time to fix those two pieces of tape. So the item on the left, I got it from Amazon, and the item on the right, I got it from eBay. All you have to do is cut the little twisty connection, cut it up, and solder it back together like the picture on the right. It's pretty easy. Also, I'm gonna put a link in the description below to a video by QC Guy. That's the one I used to assemble my Zino, and it made everything so much easier, and I saved so much time, so thanks to him, this was possible. I used the same tall glass antenna in the back, and I reused the antenna from the front of the Zino and soldered it in parallel to the tall glass antenna.
I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me?
Also did a mod on the remote. I saw a post on Facebook about somebody upgrading the little cable. I did that just in case, to see if it helped or not. I don't know, I did everything all at once, so I don't know what's making a difference. Maybe everything's making a difference together, I hope.
Are you with me?
Alright, so here's the video of it reaching 3,000 feet before the FPV cuts out. It was getting pixelated like around 2,500, but I mean, it's a big improvement with all that Wi-Fi from all those houses and those cell towers. A lot of interference, and it actually made it all the way over there. Pretty happy with the results.
Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights.
That's the only dangerous stunt I did, was flying over that bridge. I was a little scared, but it had to be done for this test. Luckily it was a little bit of cars.
Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? I wanna dance by water beneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas by swinging blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me?
And it's about to cut off there. That's as far as I made it before we returned home. This final piece right here is about the Zino and how it hovers in place. It was actually pretty windy, gusts of 12 miles per hour, windy. The wind was 8 miles per hour, and it's flying perfect. I'm on the latest firmware. It's a 2.05 flight controller. The camera is 3.6 and the gimbal 3.8, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. I have had no issues at all. I know a lot do, and there's a lot of videos on that, but I must be one of the lucky ones that it actually works for me. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And last, do I recommend all this antenna mods? I recommend it if you have a Zino and you don't plan on getting anything else and you just want that strong connection. But if you're planning on getting the Zino and then do the mod, no, you're gonna waste more money equal to a Zino Pro. So just go with a Zino Pro. It'll be a time saver.